going in for polls. One of them is going to be Uttar Pradesh, where Mayawati too has entered the polarizing game before the crucial 7th phase voting in Uttar Pradesh. Now, in a desperate attempt to mobilize a Dalit vote bank, Mayawati has cautioned them against Modi's BJP, which will only misuse, according to her, misuse their emotions for political gains.
The stake high and the party is desperate, making 2014 one of the most polarized electoral battles in recent times. First it was Sonia pitching for Muslim votes. Then came Modi's aide Amit Shah seeking votes for revenge. Mulayam wasn't far behind in appeasing rioters before the polls. And now comes BSP Supremo Mayawati, pitching hard to her Dalit vote bank.
जब चुनाव होता है तो दलितों को हिंदू कहते हैं और अपने उनके नजदीक आके बैठते हैं, तो आप लोगों के बर्तन इस्तेमाल करते कहते नहीं अपने गिलास में पानी ले आओ पीने के लिए, लेकिन जब चुनाव खत्म हो जाता है पानी पीना तो दरकिनार रहा, आपकी बस्तियों में जाना भी ये पसंद नहीं करते। यदि जाते भी हैं तो मुंह के ऊपर कपड़ा लगा कर जाते हैं। इतना आप लोगों से नफरत करते हैं ये लोग।
Maya's polarized speech clearly indicates her desperation of mobilizing Dalits, which form a major chunk of her support base. Since 2007, she has lost 18% of Dalit votes who are miffed with her ignorance and apathy towards their concern.
You know, the way you treated the Dalits as untouchable in more than 5,000 years, then Mayawati has got every right to speak like that. Even Dr. Ambedkar, he refused to die as a Hindu. He died as a Buddhist. So there is no wrong in Mayawati's statement.
Mayawati has added fuel to the volatile election scenario. There are no issues in the elections, only vitriol and bitter words.
MHA report has supported polarization signal with fact. Last 2 years leading to the Lok Sabha polls saw an increase of 25% in communal riots, with UP being the worst affected with 247 riots and Gujarat recording 68 cases.
Bureau Report, News X.